Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to legally spend your illegal money. So this first step, you just got to clean the money, or laundry. So yeah, you just clean it. On to step 2, you just got to get rid of all the soap, rinse it. Yeah, it's a really easy process if you know what you're doing. On to step 3, which is just laying them out to dry. Then at this point, you would just get rid of the excess moisture, pat them down, flatten them out. Now at this point, they're still kind of wrinkly, so we gotta press them out. And we gotta do that with just a little sprays of water on them, just to make them more malleable. Now we get a towel, just anything, just wipe up the excess water. Just flatten them out by hand right now. Get your boards. And some weights. Then you wait. So once they're done, you just gotta take off the weights. Just see the final product. Let me see. Well, I don't think well, I don't think I did this right.